Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all of you. Are you hearing me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed the remaining questions of exercise 9.2 or still remaining?
It is about to finish, sir.
Okay. What about others? Shekhar is going to finish. Are you observing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, near about we finished the exercise of 9.2 of ratio and proportion from your book of CDC. And some of the questions are remaining and some of you asked the questions also. So let's finish the remaining questions, then we will move to next chapter. Okay. So first one of you asked this question to me from exercise 9.2 and it is the easy most question. Very easy question, easily you can get its solution. Wait till I'll check the person who asked this question. Okay. In its solution, first process is we have to say let A by B is equal to C by D equal to K, and from it we will get C is equal to dk and A is equal to bk. A is equal to bk and C is equal to dk after cross multiplication. Then we can take left hand side. Left hand side is 7a plus 5c divided by 7a minus 5c. Now put value of A and C. We have to put both values. So value of A is bk and value of C is dk. What is common here in numerator? Please tell it.
K.
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 And in denominator,
K.
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 it also common value is k. K and k cancelled. So the remaining value after cancelling k and k, what is the remaining value?
7b plus 5d
5D.
divided by 7b minus 5d.
Plus 5d divided by 7b minus 5d. Now all of you look at right hand side. What is there in right hand side? 7b plus 5d and 7b minus 5d. It is the same as side.
Yes, sir. And proved.
Here 7b plus 5d and 7b minus 5d denominator of left hand side. It is same as right hand side. So we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side and it is proved. Is there any confusion?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. If there is no confusion, let's move to the questions which we were doing yesterday. Only 2 or 3% sent the solution of it to me. What about others? Others did not write. We completed up to here yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And some were having problem while taking common and substituting the value in RHS. Others completed it or not?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. I completed, sir, afterwards.
All but some of you send the solution to me. It's your work. Then also I did it for you. Value of A is dk cube, value of B is dk square, value of B dk square, C is dk, again C is dk. So from first term, common value is d as well as k square. There is k power total 5. K into k power 4. From that we can take k square outside, and from next term k is we can take k outside as well as d also. From last term we can take d outside. So now it becomes dk square and k remains inside the root. Similarly, dk comes out, k remains inside the root, d comes also out of root, and k remains inside the root. Is this clear up now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you may take a screenshot of this one. After this, in next step, d root k is common from all. You may check here. Once again, d as well as root k. D root k is common from all the terms. So remaining value inside the bracket is k square minus k minus 1. अब यहाँबाट d र root k common लिएपछि k square बच्ने भयो. Second मा if d and root k is common, remaining value is k. And from last one, if d root k is common, remaining value is 1 only. Same thing I've written here. D root k is common, k square minus k minus 1. So to make it as like left hand side, in left hand side root k is at the last. यहाँ last मा थियो, त्यही गरी arrange गरिदिउँ. Only we have to arrange it. Root k is written at last. Now we get left hand side as well as right hand side. Both are equal to each other. It is clear or not?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, okay. Then after this question, there is question number E as well as F. Both are similar question. Look at question number F. Its solution is a bit lengthier than question number E. Numbers or values A, B, C, D, E, and F are in continued proportion. Then prove that A by F is equal to A power 5 divided by B power 5. This is question given to us. A, B, C, D, E, and F. These are in continued proportion. That means A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D is equal to D by E is equal to E by F. You value repeat हुँदै जान्छ. A by B हुन्छ, A by B, B repeat भयो, B by C, C by D, again D by E, and again E by F. It is the meaning of continued proportion. Continued proportion ले हामीलाई यति मात्रै भनेको हो है. यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म यति हुन्छ भनेको. And we said let this is equal to k. If it is equal to k, what will be the value of E?
FK.
FK.
Value of E is equal to Fk, isn't it? Now value of D,
EK.
Ek. And what is value of E?
FK.
FK.
Fk. Value of E, Fk पनि substitute गर्नु पर्यो. Again, value of D, sorry, value of C,
DK.
dk. अब त्यहाँ d को value फेरि substitute गर्नु पर्यो. Value of B is ck. Again we have to substitute the value of C, and value of A is bk. फेरि यसमा पनि के गर्नु पर्यो त? B को value substitute गर्नु पर्यो. Then we will get the values of A, B, C, D, and E. And we have to substitute value of A as well as B and F. Sorry, not F, A and B in the solution. So first one is E is equal to Fk. Second, D is equal to EK, as we discussed, and value of E is Fk, it becomes Fk square now. Next one, C is equal to DK, and value of D को value कति छ त यहाँ एकछिन अगाडि निकालेका छौं
Fk square.
Fk square, त्यो Fk square यहाँ राख्यौं, value of D into K, Fk cube, and value of B is Ck. C को value पनि यहाँ निकालेका छौं, C is equal to Fk cube, यो Fk cube यहाँ राख्यौं, B is equal to Fk power 4 भयो. And last one, A is equal to Bk, and value of B is Fk power 4. B को value Fk power 4, यो value यहाँ राखेपछि Fk power 4 into K, it is Fk power 5. Up to now, is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You are having confusion in same things. Your Fk square and Fk cube, Fk power 4, Fk power 5 कहाँबाट आयो भन्नेमा confusion थियो, त्यो confusion यहाँबाट clear हुँदै जाओ है. Fk into K, it is Fk square. फेरि यो Fk square अर्कोमा D को value को ठाउँमा राख्नु पर्ने हो, in place of this D. Again, value of this C को value Fk cube आयो, यो यहाँ राख्नु पर्ने हो C को ठाउँमा. Again, value of B is Fk power 4, that we have to put here. Fk power 4 in place of B. So now look at left hand side. After getting all values of A, B, C, D and E, and put value of A here. यसमा A को value substitute गरा. Value of A is Fk power 5. What is cancelled in it?
F.
Cancelled. Then what is remaining? F cancelled के बाकी
K
A
5.
power 5.
A power 5.
Power 5 is remaining. Now look at right hand side. It is A power 5 divided by B power 5. Put value of A and B. Value of A is Fk power 5. Value of B is Fk power 4. दुईटे value राख्यौं. A को value Fk power 5, B को value Fk power 4, and there is power 5 for both. दुईटेको power मा 5 छ. Question मै दिएको छ. And what happens now after this line? What we have to do here? Yes, what work is remaining for us? Please.
Multiplying the power of powers.
Multiply the power of power. F power 5 into K power 5, 5 is 25. Similarly, F power 5 into K power 4, 5 is 20. F power 5 and F power 5 cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are cancelled. K power 25 divided by K power 20.
K power 5.
Q power 5 remaining.
5 minus 20, isn't it? If these are in division, division मा छ भने power subtract हुन्छ. We have to subtract the power. K power 25 minus 20. 25 minus 20,
5.
that is only. So its final value will be K power 5. There is K power 5 in left hand side as well as K power 5 in right hand side also. So we get left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it is proved. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any confusion?
No confusion.
No confusion, sir.
That means chapter of ratio and proportion is also completed.
Yes.
Are you observing your book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete remaining question.
Done,
If
sir.
you don't know any question, you may ask that to me. Okay, look at this one. State, profit and loss, commission, taxation, these all are completed. Arithmetic, area, solids, algebraic expression, indices, ratio and proportion we just completed. Linear equation is also completed. Quadratic equation, triangle, parallelogram and circle. These three chapters are remaining. Those only in those also
Exercise.
exercise, because theorems are already completed.
Yes,
And we
sir.
already discuss about some common things related to triangle, circle, parallelograms.
Yes, sir.
It is remaining to solve the exercise of triangle, parallelogram, and circle. So, if you have book, go to page 110, and it will be near about 114 in my soft copy. Triangle. Okay. You may check these ones. Scale and triangle. Triangle having unequal sides, it's called scalene. We already discussed about this. Isosceles, triangle having two sides equal. Equilateral, triangle having all sides equal. And acute angle triangle means if all angles of triangle are less than 90. Obtuse angle triangle if one angle is more than 90. Right angle triangle if one angle is 90 degree, then triangle is right angle triangle. Now after this we proved some theorems. Sum of all angles of triangle is 180. Similarly, exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, that we proved here. And now look at exercise 12.1. Are you observing this exercise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this exercise, I think there is no problem. This is just revision of the exercise, same similar questions which we did in grade 8 also, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you observing the questions?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
in question
Yes, sir.
number 8, it is said the find the values of x, y, and z in the following figures. How will solve it?
X
Question number
plus
8.
2x plus 3x is equal to 180. Sum of interior angle of a triangle.
3x plus
2x plus x
2x plus x
is equal to
is
180 degree.
180 degree. And what will be the reason for this one?
Sum of
Sum of interior
angle
angles
of
of
a
triangle.
triangle.
Okay. Its reason will be sum of interior angles of triangle. Now after this 3x plus 2x plus x, its value is 6x. To get value of x, x को value find out करने को लागि 6 लाई right hand side के ले जाना पर्यो. 180 divided by 6, it will be 30 degree. Value of x is 30. Similarly, look at question number second one. Question number B. X plus 110 is equal to 180.
Yes.
Am I right? X plus 110 is equal to 180.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What will be the reason? X plus 110 is equal to 180. I am asking this to you
Exterior
because
angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite
Yeah.
interior angles.
yes, x plus 110 is equal to 180
Angles in
plus 110.
Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior angle.
No, for that you have to
straight
take
angle.
y plus 60
Sum
is
of
equal to
supplement.
Straight angles of
Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle भन्नको लागि त y plus 60 is equal to 110 लिनुपर्छ, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So to get or to take x plus 110 is equal to 180, reason will be
Sum
what
of
are these?
straight angle.
These are linear pair or sum of angles on straight line, or you can say supplementary angles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To get value of y plus
T plus x plus y equals to 180 degree.
okay, x plus y plus 60 is equal to 180, or y plus 60 is equal to 110. What will be reason for this one?
Exterior angle of triangle is equal to two opposite angles.
Okay, in this way you will get value of y also. Exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of what we have to say, two opposite interior angle. This is one method. एउटा मेथडबाट यसरी गर्न सकिन्छ. Another method is x plus y plus 60 is equal to 180. x को भ्यालु यहाँ अलरेडी निकालिसकेका हुन्छौँ. x is equal to 180 minus 110 70. So 70 plus y plus 60 is equal to 180 गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. Now look at question number C. How you will do question number C?
Question number C.
Yes.
The value of y would be 60.
Y plus 120 is equal to 180.
Yes, y plus 120 is equal to 180 because y and 120 are linear pairs. From that you will get value of y. Similarly, z plus 130
Plus 180 equals 130 equals to 180.
We'll get 50.
Linear equation.
Then 60 plus 50
Also
plus
that you will get
x is equal to 180.
value of z. Now after getting value of y and z, you will easily get value of x. X plus y plus z गरे पनि हुन्छ, or x plus y is equal to 130 गरे पनि हुन्छ. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at question number D. This one. How you will do it? Look at big triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In this triangle, sum of all angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree.
180.
Isn't it? That means these x and x, these
Yes,
are
sir.
one angle, 80 is another angle, and 30 plus 30 is another angle.
Yes.
Add these means we have to write 80 plus x plus
X
x
plus
plus 30 plus 30. Don't look at this y. यो y अलगै हो. Y lies inside triangle BDC. BDC triangle मा पर्छ. First 80 plus x plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 180. From this easily you will get value of x because it is 2x plus 140. This 140, 80 plus 30 plus 30. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
T minus 140. Then you will easily get the value of x. 2x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 30 degree. And after getting value of x, now we can write x plus y plus 30 is equal to 180. Look at triangle DBC. Are you observing DBC?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तीनटा एंगलहरुको सम कति हुन्छ त 180 डिग्री हुन्छ. So
180.
x plus 30 is equal to 180. After getting value of x, x को value यताबाट आइसक्यो हुन्छ, then you will get the value of y also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at question number E. How you will do it?
Y is equal to 3x vertically opposite angle.
Y is equal to 3x. Okay. Next.
And here it Q 2x plus. Oh, no, no, wouldn't.
2x plus p is equal to 90 degree.
3x plus, please, 3x plus angle QPR is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
180 degree. Or there is one another process that is easier than this one, is we can write 3x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 360 degree.
Yes.
Look at this one. This 3x and this 2x as well as this 3x, their sum is 360 degree. Its region is sum of exterior angle
Exterior angle of a
of
triangle.
any polygon, either it is triangle or quadrilateral or pentagon. Sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So region of this one will be sum of exterior angle exterior
Angle of polygon.
angles of triangle. This is the region for this one, and from this you will get value of x. X plus 2x, sorry, 3x plus 2x plus 3x. It is total 8x. 8x divided by 360. Sorry, 8x is equal to 360, and x is equal to 360 divided by 8. Now, after getting value of x, y is equal to 3x.
Yes, sir.
X को value जति आउँछ त्यसले multiply गर्नु पर्यो. Y is equal to 3x. That means 3 into value of x. Okay. So I think it is clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. What is value of angle ACB? ACB.
180 degree.
X plus 30 plus
X,
45.
X.
That is x. Angle
sir.
ACB
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and x
Vertically
plus
opposite angle.
45 is equal to 180.
Yes, plus 30, 40 plus 45.
Plus 45 is equal to 180.
180.
And after getting value of x, x plus y is equal to
Vertically
1.
opposite angle.
Yes, sir. X plus 5 equals to 130.
Y is equal to 130. Region is exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So in this way you will get value of x as well as y. Question number 2. By using property of sum of interior angle of triangle, find the sum of interior angle of following polygon. We have learned this formula of interior angle as well as exterior angle in grade 8. So formula to find out the interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula to find out sum of
Interior angles.
angle. So use this formula to find out the sum of interior angle. And what is meaning of n? Yeah, n बने क्या होता?
Number of
Number of
sides.
sides.
Number
of their
sides. How many sides are there in first figure?
4.
4 sides.
4.
Instead of n, we have to put 4 here, isn't it? 4
Yes.
minus 2, that will be 2. 2 into 180, 360. How many sides are there in question number B?
5.
5 sides are there. So we have to put 5 here in place of. And in third figure, how many sides are there?
6.
6. So we have to put 6 here, isn't it? So in this way, easily you will get the answers of question number 2. So all of you complete up to question number 2 of this exercise, and remaining questions
We'll discuss
we will
tomorrow.
Okay,
discuss
sir.
in the class. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir, for teaching us. Have a nice day.